There are legit websites where you can make thousands of naira every week. And guess what? I know some of them and I'll share 4 of them with you in this video. See, people are making money. I'll tell you 2 reasons why you are not making money at the end of this video. But first, we got the introduction now. I'm Nick, and on this channel, Nick Finance Naija, I take complex financial principles, money making principles, all those big grammar way then they blow. I break it into very easy bits, kunkulu bits for the average Nigerian to use to better their finances. See, 26,000 people don't subscribe because they know what they do. So you just go and subscribe. Don't bother. See, you will like this channel. And while you're at it, like this particular video, go and press the thumbs up button. Now your gift to me. I be no one give me gift. All right, give me that gift. And finally, no fall for all those spammers. You get one guy will talk for my comment section, say then scam man. Be careful, guys. When you see all those messages, they are not mine. I know they ask for anything apart from subscribing to the channel and liking the video. See, for this channel, I know they waste time. More just enter computer, make I show you the 4 websites. Okay, people, with their computer now Nick Finance Naija website be this 26,000 plus people. Thank you guys very much. Guys, I noticed the last set where I do the make money on your phone set, on I just they watch the video, they learn things. If you've not watched the videos, check these videos out. There are 12 sources of money making in this video. Number 1, sidegig.co. Guys, see the challenge here. People have unrealistic expectation when it comes to making money online. They still say it's easy. See, I work a corporate job and I do side gigs. Baba, side gigs hard past corporate job. Because for corporate job, your salary, they go pay you end of the month. Whether you come work, whether you do the work where they want, if you package yourself well, if you lazy, you feel they hide. But here, you not feel lazy. Some of them know they make money because you don't want to do the work. But if you do the work, you will see the money. Let's continue. So the first site, guys, like I said, is sidegig.co. And guess what? You join as a freelancer, okay? Is how does this site work? Basically, freelancing jobs. Anything where you feel do from where you day, where they add value to another person, now waiting that they call freelancing. Now, I wouldn't go through the step-by-step registration process because it go make this video take past 8 minutes. I'd like keep my videos for 8 minutes. But you click here, join as a freelancer. You go see this form. Create an account, enter the details, follow through the process, and register. Now, once you get registered on this website, you start looking for the gigs to do. And what are these gigs? Guess what? Create possibilities, collaborate with side gig freelancers, music review, content engagement, blog read, app download. The ones where me I like personally, now survey and data entry, because those ones they don't need any skill set. So far say you get finger with you type data entry. So far say you fill form survey. All right, so there are many tasks you can very well look at in making your decision to use this website. But like I always tell you guys, I always warn you guys, never ever do anything just because I talk am. Do your research, do your due diligence before you do anything. I'm not providing financial advice. Now just me they share the knowledge what I get on money making. We'll enter website number 2. Second one I love so much is Payroot. Guys, see, I have friends that are making crazy money on this website. And guess what? You know why I am not making money on this website? I don't get the time. But some of them don't ask me, say, Nick, show us the website. Whether you get the time. If you don't get the time, me, I get the time. So for those of you that have time, this is the second website, payroot.online. On this website, you can do several things to make money, advertise your business, earning features. These are the earning features. Statistics. They don't pay like 1.9 million, an average of 100K daily payment. So think these people they pay 100K every day. You supposed chop even if not 2K or 5K. That's so me I do my things. I go say waiting they happen. I feel get a chunk of this one. I feel get a bite. So that's exactly what I want you guys to explore in doing your research and considering this website. How do you get on? Very simple. Click sign in. Form go come out. Fill all the details in the form. Again, I don't want to waste time because if I do the video go too long. Fill all the details in the form and get to start exploring the site. The good thing about this website is say they fit pay you for Nigeria. You know, say you get some of them always say, Nick, the former website where you give me for some of your videos, I don't get PayPal, I don't get Payoneer, how they pay dollar. So they look the ones where fit pay you Naira. So those dollar ones they for Nigerians we don't jackpot with their abroad. But this four I'm telling you guys, they actually pay in Naira exactly. So we'll enter number 3. No, before we enter, you don't like them, go like the video. And they always say make you like them because now your gift to me and they push them to many Nigerians. Thank you guys for watching and more enter number 3. Now this one get plenty talk for this one, so make I just give una the hack for this one. See guys, a lot of people they shout Naira workers. I don't hear them. I don't hear them plenty times, so I say may I could research on myself. I found out that guys, people are actually making money on this website, but you have to be careful. We'll just break them down small. So for those who never hear of these Naira workers before, it's a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing platform. Bottom line be say people will get freelancing skills. We come here. What are the kind of things that you do right here? Social networks, writing, testing websites, data entry, downloading, searching, installing and testing mobile apps, different kind of things. Again, now my best bit is taking surveys. Okay, again, and naira they go pay you, no down, no stress and everything. But you know the problem for this website, people don't sabi am too much. So everybody, every Tom, Dick and Harry don't they come register, they don't they try do things. So the only way you can stand out is if you find yourself the gigs that you have strength in. For example, person like me now, not to get time. So I not feel compete with person who get all day. Students will get all day. If you be students, now this kind of thing you go explore because you get time. We where they work, we don't get that time. So you have the time to explore many different gigs. There are plenty people on this website, but if you want to stand out, you would need their hard working. Every time when you pick your phone, not they go all these websites where they add value to you. Make sure you use it to make, they think how it generate money, we go buy the phone where they use. For example, me this year now, the money where I don't make this year, if you buy like 10 phones, you understand? That's the way you should think, and I'm not exaggerating. I literally mean it. The money where I don't make, I feel use and buy 10 phones. So you must be thinking like every time when you pick your phone, you're going to say, wait till I feel do, wait till you replace this phone. So on this side, to register on this one, they're very simple. Click register. Again, the form will come out, put all the details. If you get any referral person there, put them for there. But mind you guys, creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited. One account per person. You know why they put this in here? Like I tell you, plenty of people don't they come here. They go use multiple accounts, use their Gmail, use their Yahoo, use their whatever account. So these guys don't catch them. Say, one person they open like 5, 6 accounts. So they don't write this thing. If they catch you, they feel block you. So respect yourself and register only one profile. Last guys, now freebies. I don't talk this one before, but I say make I just remind you now in case you never watch the video. Now this one are more of social media. Freebies was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You see, so if you be social media person, you they waste your money, they go Facebook, they go Instagram, they laugh for TikTok. Guy. Begin to make money because on this website where I just show you now, may I even show you some features. On this website, see how they work. How they work. You sign up. I go show you as when I go sign up. You earn and cash out, and a naira then they pay. You don't need all those PayPal, Payoneer where they stress you. So that's how you do it. Now, how do you get started? Mosia. You register by creating an account. Now, once you don't create the account, put all these details and everything. Then for the money to they come, you guys they active on social media. Check this out. You can earn as much as 10,000 naira daily when you like, share, comment on a post or play games. So if you're a social media person where they waste your likes, they waste your share, but for this channel, you know they waste your like, go like them because this channel makes sense. But if they waste your like, they do other things where don't make sense. Make sure you sign up on this website after your research and start to deploy your social media skills to making money. And cool cash. If you want to make money online, see, you guys know plenty things. Most of these things where they teach you now for this channel. Now research. Every day I go carve out maybe like 1 hour. I they look through the internet. I they check websites. I they browse. I they go Shopify. I they check everywhere to bring out this knowledge for now free. Now, your own job now say where I stop, no you continue. Not say Nick go give me everything. I'm not gonna give you everything now. But guess what? With the tips where they give you, you feel just pick them from there. Begin do your own. And in the next 3 videos, I go still talk about this making money online. You get some of them who don't ask me about online courses. Your video day in the day oven, they cook. You get someone when ask me for YouTube. That one and now 2 videos I go do for YouTube. See, guy, people they pay for YouTube course, but the video where I go give you, guy, you go see say na value add because even me, I go show you practical experience. Me na 0 subscribers like 1 year ago. See us today 26,000. I go show you what they do. Not be rocket science, na common sense. Finally, before you come out, share the video with person. Go like them if you never like them, and no forget, be patient. God bless you guys. See you guys in the next one.